Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we'll start to make the components for this universal joint. And we'll start with this one, the connector. And let's open a new SolidWorks document part. Let's make here plain white and now let's open a sketch in the top plane. And here let's select center rectangle and let's make a rectangle. Now make these two lines equal. And now smart dimension, let's give a dimension for one of them. And here will be 14.40. And I'll go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here will be 19.7. Press OK. Nice. And now let's go ahead and open a sketch on this face. And here select circle. And first let's make a circle like this. And now with smart dimension, let's define this. The diameter for this will be 4.75. And from this center point to this center point here will be 6.7. And I'll select these 2 points and make them vertical. Okay, so both of them vertical. Now this should be fully defined. And actually this sketch was better if we made it in the front plane. So let's go ahead and exit this sketch and let's open another sketch in the front plane. And we're gonna convert this into our plane. So select the last sketch, select here convert entities command. And now we have it here. Go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here we'll select mid plane, and here will be 24 millimeters. And this is why it was better to make it from the beginning here, but it's no problem. Press OK. And now let's hide that sketch. Alright, and now let's open a new sketch on this face and we'll have to do the exact same thing. Actually, let's not do the exact same thing. Let's open the sketch in the right plane. And let's make a circle. And with smart dimension, let's give the same diameter here, 4.75. And from this point to this edge, here will be 6.7. Select this point with this one and select here make vertical. Now we'll go to features, we'll use extruded boss base command and the depth here will be the same, 24. Press OK. Nice. And now let's open another sketch in the right plane. And here let's make the next sketch. Make something just like this. And now with smart dimension, let's define it. From this point to this edge, here will be 0.25. The angle between these two will be 30 degrees. Okay, and now this line here will have 6.35. And let's see. Let's make a center line. Actually, let's make two center lines. One horizontal and one vertical in the middle of these two edges. And now we'll select this sketch with this center line and go to mirror entities command. And I'll go to features and we'll use revolved cut and then we'll select this center line as the axis of revolution. And now press OK and let's see. Yes, this is looking good. Now I'll have to apply some fillets. So select fillet. The first radius will be 1.25. We'll select this edge and then let's see which one, and select this one to select all 4 of them. Press OK, and now select fillet again. This time the radius will be 0.25, and we'll have to select this one. Let's see, and select this one right here. And let's take a look. We should have all of these small edges selected. Press OK. And now this is looking good. Let's try to change the appearance to make it like it was in my at the beginning. Okay, this is better. Now don't forget to save it, and this was it for today. We're gonna make the next component in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.